morning, namaste, pranam to all brothers and sisters. I am Dr. Divagaran Cochin. My subject is medical science and astrology. Today, I am going to speak about the asthma. There are different types of asthmas are there. One is the allergic asthma and the bronchial disease also have facing the asthma. And the climatic condition also creates the asthma. Those who are living near the seashore or in the cold places, they have always facing the asthma. It is a disease of respiration, significing attack of difficulty of breathing. The windpipe divides into two tubes at the upper part of the chest, one passing to each lung. These two tubes divide and subdivided into smaller tubes, which convey the air to and from the cells of the lungs. All these tubes are surrounded by circular muscular fiber and the cause asthmatic. Difficulty of breathing is the contraction of these muscular fibers, which this reduces the caliber of the tubes. This spasmodic contraction may be excited by direct and indirect causes. The direct are dust, vegetables, irritants. The indirect are the emotions, causative, bowels, fatty heart, emphysema of lungs, and hereditary predisposition. Most of the diseases are hereditary. If the parents have asthma, the children also will get asthma. During the Amavasya and Paurnami days, the tides will come up. So, the asthma patients also suffer a lot during the time of Amavasya and Paurnami days. Astrologically, Gemini, Libra, and Aquarius, Lagna or moon signs rule the breathing. The third house, that is Murda Asya Gala. Third house is very important. If Gemini or Libra or Aquarius is become third house and moon is malefic and Jupiter also rules the cuff. Moon is the water sign and the Rahu also be connected with the moon and Jupiter, that is in the third house, the person may get asthma. The significator of the disease is Mercury, which in any case, malefic or badly placed, the disease of asthma commences. Moon causes cough and Rahu rules breathing. Jupiter also cough. Experts of astrological points out of that the third house from the ascendant or from the moon. If Gemini, Libra and Aquarius becomes the third house, Mercury, Moon and Rahu are afflicted. It is assured that the person may suffer from asthma. From the remedial standpoint of asthma, it is better to find out third house, lord of the third house, planets posted in locational strength of Mercury, Moon and Rahu. Whichever are the strong malefics, it is better to pick and choose after eliminating the other malefics. Remedial measures may may be suggested according to the planets concerned. If it is Mercury, you have to wear emerald 2 carat to 4 carat in your small finger. That is the finger of Mercury. On Wednesday morning after sunrise within 1 hour. That is the Kalahora of Buddha. How to find out the Kalahora? Arka, Shukra, Buddha, Chandra, Manda Jivo, Gede, Gede. So first will be Arka, then sixth will be the Venus, that is the Arka Shukra, then Buddha, Arka Shukra, Buddha, Chandra, Manda, Jivo, Gede, Gede. Similarly, the Kala Hora can be find out. If Jupiter is in the third house with Rahu and Moon is strengthless or Moon is malefic and the third lord is in the sixth house, the person may get asthma. If Jupiter is creating the asthma, you have to wear the yellow sapphire in your index finger on Thursday morning after sunrise within 1 hour. If the moon is malefic, you have to wear the moonstone or pearl. If the asthmatic patient stands up for a certain moment, he may get relief from asthma. During my dealing with various cases of asthma, I suggested to use pearls. If moon is in the third house with Rahu, you have to wear the Gomedaka also. Gomedaka in your middle finger. That also gives strength to Rahu and Moon. Moon is the Karaka of mind also, who got relief in proportions. The asthma patients have facing a lot of trouble. During the Amavasya and Paurnami days, the tides come up and the water level rise up. In the human body has about 70% of water. That is why this disease also related to water and the patients may suffer a lot. Thank you very much. If you like my subject, please subscribe it and bell button switch on. I'll come tomorrow with other subject.